If you've ever had coffee that tasted flat, bitter, or just not quite right, then you already know how much the right espresso machine can change everything. A good machine doesn't just make coffee, it completely upgrades your daily routine. The problem is, not all espresso machines are built the same. Some focus on convenience but limit control. Others give you full control but take more effort to use. And then there are a few that try to balance both. That's why we put together this list of the 7 best espresso machines, each one standing out for a different type of user and brewing style. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these espresso machines aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the KitchenAid KF7. This is the best fully automatic espresso machine on our list. The biggest advantage here is how effortless your entire routine becomes. You're not adjusting grind size or measuring anything manually. The automatic smart dosing system takes care of that for you. So you just select your drink and let the machine handle the rest. And because of that, every cup comes out consistent and balanced. As you keep using it, everything starts to feel even smoother. The integrated grinder keeps your coffee fresh for every brew, which makes a noticeable difference in flavor. And when you want to switch beans, the removable bean hopper makes it quick and easy. You just twist it off, refill, and continue. It's simple and it gives you more flexibility without slowing you down. Then when you move to milk drinks, things stay just as easy. You place the hose into your milk container and the machine automatically froths and heats it to the right level. It also dispenses milk and espresso together, so your drink comes out smooth, balanced, and ready to go with one touch. On top of that, the metal-clad construction feels premium and built to last. And features like auto clean function, auto shut off, and a 2.2-liter removable tank keep everything low effort day to day. So if you want a fully automatic machine that simplifies everything, this is the one. Number 6 is the Diletta Mio. This is the best for pros on our list. This one is built for control from the start. You're getting a PID-controlled brew boiler, which keeps your temperature stable throughout extraction. That stability gives you the precision needed to fine-tune every shot. And that's exactly what you want when you're dialing things in and chasing better results. As you get into your workflow, everything starts to feel more intentional. The 58mm group and portafilter are industry standard, so you can use professional tools and accessories without any issues. It also makes your setup feel much closer to a real cafe environment. That adds to the overall experience. Then you've got tools that help you improve over time. The shot timer built into the PID display lets you track every extraction as it happens, and the brew pressure gauge gives you real-time feedback. So you can make small adjustments and actually see and taste the difference from shot to shot. When it's time for milk drinks, the 1000-watt Thermoblock steam system gives you steam on demand, so you can switch between brewing and steaming smoothly without long waits. That keeps your workflow efficient and consistent. On top of that, it's hand-built in Italy, and the craftsmanship really stands out in daily use. So if you want hands-on control and a true pro-level experience, this is the one. Number 5 is the TerraCafe TK02 Super. This is the best smart espresso machine on our list. Everything here is built around customization and convenience. You can create over 100,000 drink combinations. So you're not stuck with basic presets. You can tweak strength, milk, and ratios exactly how you like. And once you find your perfect setup, the machine saves it to your account. So every cup stays consistent without needing to redo anything. As you connect it to the app, it becomes even more useful. You can set auto wake and sleep, so your machine is ready when you are. You can even start brewing before you get out of bed. It's a small feature, but it makes your mornings feel much smoother. Then there's the QR system, which takes things further. When you scan compatible coffee, the machine automatically adjusts settings based on roaster recommendations. So you're getting a more refined result without having to figure it out yourself. And it also gives you flexibility in what you can make. You can brew espresso or drip coffee using whole beans or pre-ground coffee. It supports all milk types too, including plant-based options, which adds even more versatility. On top of that, the touchscreen interface, Wi-Fi connectivity, and 75-ounce water reservoir make everything feel smooth, modern, and easy to manage. So if you want a smart, fully connected coffee experience, this is the one. And if you want to know the latest prices for the espresso machines discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Breville Bambino Plus. This is the best for home on our list. What makes this perfect for home use is how quick and approachable it is. The thermojet heating system gets up to temperature in just 3 seconds. So you don't have to wait around in the morning. You can just turn it on and start brewing right away. Then, as you pull your shot, the machine helps you get better results. The low-pressure pre-infusion gradually builds pressure. That helps extract flavor evenly. And with PID temperature control, the water stays exactly where it needs to be. So your shots come out more consistent without needing much adjustment. And when you move to milk drinks, it really shines. The automatic steam wand lets you adjust both temperature and texture, so you can get smooth microfoam without needing advanced skills. It makes lattes and cappuccinos feel much easier to make at home. Plus, it also fits easily into your space. The compact design keeps your countertop clean while still giving you full espresso capability. And features like auto purge help maintain the right temperature between shots, so your workflow stays smooth. And here's what Jessica says. I love this espresso machine. Functionality-wise, it completely changes the coffee game. When upgrading from a cheap machine like I did, you really can taste the difference in quality when paired with a quality coffee bean. So if you want a fast, compact, and easy machine for daily home espresso, this is the one. Number 3 is the Breville Dual Boiler. This is the best semi-automatic espresso machine on our list. What really sets this apart is the dual boiler system. You get one boiler for espresso and another for steam, so you can extract and steam at the same time without losing temperature. And that alone makes your workflow feel much more professional and efficient. As you start dialing in your shots, the control here becomes very noticeable. The digital PID temperature control keeps water temperature extremely stable, and that helps you get consistent flavor in every cup. You also get low-pressure pre-infusion, which gradually builds pressure for a more even extraction and better balance. Then there's the level of detail you can work with. The 58mm portafilter supports 19 to 22 grams of coffee. That gives you fuller, richer shots. The overpressure valve also helps prevent bitterness by keeping extraction controlled and smooth. And when you move to milk, the steam wand gives you full manual control, so you can texture microfoam just like a cafe setup. It's smooth, responsive, and great for latte art, especially once you get used to it. On top of that, the LCD display with shot clock helps you track your extraction in real time. And the 84-ounce water tank keeps you going longer without constant refills. So if you want a semi-automatic machine with serious control and performance, this is the one. Number 2 is the DeLonghi Stylosa. This is the best value espresso machine on our list. What makes this a great value is how much you get in a simple setup. You're getting a reliable espresso machine that covers all the basics without making things complicated. And because of that, it's perfect if you're just getting started and don't want a steep learning curve. As you begin using it, the process feels very straightforward. The machine comes with a portafilter, tamper, and filters for both single and double shots. So you have everything you need right out of the box, and that makes it easy to jump in without needing extra gear. Then there's the brewing performance. The 15-bar pump pressure helps extract espresso with solid flavor and crema. And the stainless steel boiler is built for durability, so it holds up well with regular use. You're getting a dependable setup that does exactly what you need. And when you want milk-based drinks, the manual steam wand gives you control. You can texture milk for lattes and cappuccinos just the way you like. It's simple to use, and it gives you room to learn and improve over time. And because of its compact size, it fits easily into smaller kitchens. It doesn't take over your counter, which makes it even more practical for everyday use. So if you want an affordable and beginner-friendly espresso machine, this is the one. Number 1 is the Breville Barista Express. This is the best overall espresso machine on our list. This one stands out because it brings everything into one system. You've got a built-in grinder and espresso machine working together, so you can go from whole beans to a fresh shot in under a minute. and that makes your routine faster and more consistent. As you start brewing, the control feels very balanced. The conical burr grinder lets you grind on demand directly into the portafilter, and with the grind size dial, you can adjust based on your beans. So you're not locked into one setting, then during extraction, the machine helps you get better results. The low-pressure pre-infusion ensures even extraction, and the PID temperature control keeps everything stable for consistent flavor. When it comes to milk, the Steam Wand gives you manual control, so you can create smooth microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. It gives you that hands-on experience without being overwhelming. On top of that, it includes all the essentials like the 54mm portafilter, integrated tamper, and milk jug. And the 67-ounce water tank supports daily use easily. And here's what Anton says. The Breville Barista Express has been fantastic for me. It works flawlessly right out of the box and feels very well built. There's a lot to learn with it. But once you get the hang of it, it's extremely rewarding. So, if you want the best balance of performance, control, and convenience, this is the one. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect espresso machine. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each espresso machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.